So, hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and I'm back again. Today I'm making my own OS operating system, and I've taken a really big break since my last video. So, this is my first video in a while. So, let's see how do I do it. So, my plan is let me take a text document. Let's see what is my plan for today's uh, for what I'm gonna make today. Let's see. First, what I'm gonna do is gather all the resources. Gather all the resources, and then second, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just customize the before the ISO file, that is the raw file of the operating system. I'm going to customize in that. So ISO file, a big quotes on there, ISO file. Now then what I'm going to do is I'm going to load it into my virtual box first. Virtual box boot. And after I boot it into my virtual box and I see how it works, then I'm gonna see some YouTube tutorials and try to make a cool design. Okay, and then the fifth will be to turn it into a bootable USB or bootable ISO. Heavy codes on bootable USB and bootable ISO. Okay, these are the 5 steps I'm going to follow for now. Let's see. First, gather all the resources. I have them all here. Let me show you. These are all the things we're gonna need. This is where our text is, the thing we need. And then his NT light, I'm gonna use this to customize our for ISO file. Here's VirtualBox, what I'm gonna use to boot the file. And then this is Canva. I'm gonna use it to make some cool designs for the thing. And that's pretty much it. You don't need that much more things. Okay, now let's start. First it says gather all the resources, so I think we can say okay to that, because I've already downloaded 3 of these ISO files right here. If you can see, these are all ISO files. So so we're clear on that one. And for other things like images and stuff, we can just get it from Pinterest or other websites. Okay, now let's see. Now first what I'm going to do, so first we can say that this one is checked out because we have done it. So now I'm going to just customize the ISO file. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna be using NT light for this one. I'm gonna open NT light up, and then I'm gonna add a new thing, like a new ISO, and I'm just gonna put this here. Open. And from where you can get the ISO, if you're thinking, I'm gonna show you. You have to just write Windows 11 ISO file download, and then you can just hop onto the Microsoft website where it is. Then you can just download it from there. Let me show you. Windows 10, Windows 11 ISO file download, and then I'm gonna go to download Windows 11, and from here you have to choose uh, Windows 11 multiple edition ISO for 60-bit devices. Download now. And then you're gonna ask your uh, which language are you, and then when you confirm it, it's gonna take you to the download page and it's gonna let you download it. So we're not doing it right now. So let's see. Okay, now we have this here. Now we have to download it. So I personally I like the Windows 11 Pro better, so I'm gonna load this one. Okay, I'm gonna load it. It's gonna take a bit of time. Until it's doing that, let me see if the live is going okay. Okay, I'm gonna load it. Yeah. Hey, yes. Hello. Yeah, I guess it's going fine. Almost fine, I guess. It's gonna take a bit of time. Until it's doing that, let me see if the live is going okay. It's 0% loaded. So let me just do some other stuff until it's being loaded into here. Is 1% done right now. So let me just start making the designs. So when I boot the ISO file and get the Windows 11 there, I'll just try to make some beautiful thumbnails. But the problem is I'm doing this one for my science fair project, so I will try to give it a bit of Bangladeshi taste. So let's see, I in design folder I have these little palettes designed, so I can just use them. I can use them to make the backgrounds of the wallpapers I make. Okay, okay, let them upload. Okay, I think the more one that here is most acceptable is, I think, is this one. So let's just make it rotate and make it 90 degrees. Okay, now let's turn it into the background. Okay, oh no, there's a problem. It's not working because, yeah, and this file is so small, and because we stretched it out, it's getting broken. So what we have to do, let's see, okay, set as image background, no, still broken. Attach image and then delete. Let's get some more images until it's loaded. It's not loaded yet. Let's go here, Pinterest. Okay. It's taking me to Pinterest. Or should I just download it from Google itself? Let me just search neutral background. No, not natural, it's neutral. Okay. Uh, yes. be minimalistic. Uh, okay, these look good, I guess. Now the real question is, are they big enough for my bill? This one is too like uh, wide, you can say. We have to get the perfect one. This is perfect, but would it work though? Yes, it would. Yes. No, wait. I should. Oh, I should use the pictures from my school. So because it's a school project. So let's see. Let's take this project. This one. No, this was too small. Okay. Should I take this one? Take this one. How much is the length of it? Let me just see. Okay. It's it's small. It's really small. Let's see if it will work. Yeah, it does work. So let's just from here and take a bit of blur. Okay. Let's see. We don't need that much blur. We just need a bit of blur. Blur. So becoming a problem. Where's the transparency? Let's just make it a bit transparent. Okay. Now let's put it across. No, this one won't work. Let's just take a plain old square and make it transparent and go over the whole thing, so it will look like it will look like it's a blur, but it's not actually a blur. So just take this across the whole thing. Now let's take the transparency. Yeah, it goes well with the greenery in our school. Yes, it goes perfectly. Let's take it. Okay, let's this much. I think that's that much. Okay. Okay, now from here, let's put the calendar. Okay, let's put boxes uh like box. Okay, a box like this. I need a bit of rounded corner. Can I get a bit of rounded corner though? Uh, what about if I just no, that won't work. Oh, uh, our Windows 11 is so let me see. Yes, so now I'm gonna do this later. Let me just finish what I'm doing. Box over. Yeah, this one looks okay. uh Here in this part, we're gonna have the calendar here, so there will be a calendar right here. Okay, and then we're gonna have another one for time, to show time. Let's see, it should be a little bit more smaller. Okay, there will be like let's take this one. No, not this one. uh, Let me get some pictures in, the pictures of us who are making this project. Let me see. Digital technology presentation. Yeah, here are this. So this is my picture. Take it up to here. Upload. Problem. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. Nah, this looks ugly. This looks hella ugly. Yes. let's take the other person's photo who's doing this project with me. uh, okay, so here's row number 25. uh, I matched it. Now make it the same size and do it the backwards and send it back. There, backwards. uh, let's make this little shadow here, lock it in its place so it doesn't move. And these two, let's put them in a group. Now let's take it a little bit. Okay, so here it is the one. So these are the pictures here, and I want like a little apps folder where there will be all the apps that I have in my PC. So okay, now let's take another box which will have the apps. Which one should I take? What about, no, these look too boring. This, no, it's too dark. I think this one is dark too. Let me just make it white. Or maybe this color. This will go with the greenish vibe. You, this one is too blue and green. And here I'm gonna put all my stuff, like this PC stuff. This one I think would be good. This one I would put green. Okay, let's make this a little smaller. These are like the antennas. I'm thinking of like making them look like these are the antennas. And in here, okay, now let's take a text block, subheading, apps. Okay, so now let's give it a little bit of greenish vibe. Go to a bit green. Okay, so there will be all the apps will be here. Is this becoming too small for the apps? Just make it a bit. I think one slide is done. Download this design. Okay, PNG, download. Let's go here. under the OS design save. Okay, now let's come to the fun part, the in like NT light, and this is where we're gonna do the main work, the good stuff. Okay, let's go to the updates. Let's see. Let me first make a little user right here. Where can I make a user? Save, host refresh, blah blah blah. Let me come here. Updates. I don't want to touch anything here. I don't want to delete anything. Let's go to drivers, and uh, I think these are good. We don't need to change them. Yes, VirtualBox only Ethernet adapter. Okay. Let's go to registry. User default. Let's make no. We don't need another user. Okay, let's see. Machine system, user system. Okay, there's nothing here. Post setup. I don't think we need that too. Okay, let's go to components. Okay, this is showing the error that don't touch this, but we are going to touch this. Okay. Apps, which apps should we don't like? Which apps don't we want? Like there are a lot of apps, and I'm trying to make this one a way that it just looks clean. It shouldn't have anything like fancy or stuff. It just has to be clean. It has to be working for it would be used to work, like to work office work, so we don't need gaming and other stuff. So no click jam, we need that. Cortana we don't need. Feedback hub we needed. Yet have we need that. Mail and calendar we need that. Microsoft Edge, we don't need that. Data uncheck all. Okay, we don't need Microsoft Edge, Microsoft News, Microsoft People, and then Solitaire, Microsoft Solitaire collection. There isn't even any games there. Microsoft Sticky Notes, we don't need. To do, we don't need. Uh, we need that. Notepad, we needed. Office, we needed. Paint, we need. Power Automate, we need. Quick Assist, we need. Raw image extension, we need. Snipping tool, we need. Store experience word tips. Web media, Windows calculator, camera, clock, Windows Defender. Maps, we don't need. Terminal, voice recorder, we don't need the voice recorder. Web experience pack, Windows Xbox app, we don't need. Xbox game bar, we don't need. Xbox game bar again. Speech window, we don't need it. Xbox TUI, we don't need it. Your phone, we don't need it. Okay. I think these are all the ones that we must need and to survive in this thing. So all the other things we are just deleted. So now let's go to drivers. There's nothing to check out here. Hardware support, nothing here as well. ISO image, manual feature, okay, whatever. Localization, input switch, and keep Unicode components, language pack setup, language regional language panel, table of text. Okay. Multimedia, let's see. uh, what are here? Audio specializer, capture device, desktop image downloader, we need that. Display snitch, for like that, font work, game explorer, we don't need it. We can get rid of it either. Tell IDO code, lock screen background, mouse pointer, emoji, pencil, which is photo codec. Okay. Xbox Core we don't need. Okay, we don't need anything else. We just got rid of the gaming stuff. Okay, see, narrator. Okay, Xbox game UI we don't need. Shell experience. Default lock screen we don't need that. So, system. Let's see what's in the system. Okay, access control, access tool, agent, activation runtime engineer, boot manager. Okay, let's see. Scora, blah 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 blah. Okay, I think we're done here. Okay, let's go to schedule task. Okay. I have a lot of stuff here. So project number, features. Okay, I have to read everything here. .NET container data Hyper-V, that legacy media features, and then Microsoft Print to PDF. We don't need that. Where needs that? Print to document services remove. Anyone doing channels? Shell assembly direct. We don't need any more things. Yes, settings. Logger. Okay, this is where I have the most fun. No. Okay, let's go to cache control. Let's see, everything is enabled here. How do I even change this shit? Okay, whatever. It's a dark mode for apps. Yeah, of course, enable that. Animation effects, enable that. Accent color on title bars. Things store apps, no. Alt tab style, no. Okay, classic. Dark mode for your desktop icon. Control panel, no. My computer, yes. Network recycling bin, yes. Desktop icon size, small is better. Foreground time house, video notification center, on zoom, log on screen, pointer, blah blah. Task, teams, see, log on screen, zone, post pointer options, using here Windows color show people the taskbar, start layout, blah, 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 blah. Teams install, disable. Okay. Taskbar size, it should be small. Taskbar classic, enable. Taskbar jet, disable. For all monitors, enable. Okay, event viewer channel. We don't need this on. Let's go to Explorer. And classic view, auto view, more details, notification view. Okay, network, let's see. uh, Power control, fast startup, hibernates. Okay, I don't want the hibernate, whatever it is. Shut down without log on. Disable. Okay, this is what the default. Who needs even log? Just make it go to sleep. Then go to privacy. Allow appointments. Nah. Let's just put the default. A call history. No. Contacts. Nah. Yeah, and document library. Email. Nah. Okay, let's just enable that. File system and messages. Disable microphone. Uh, let's enable that. Notifications, phone calls, disable. Picture library, radios, disable. Gender, special appear devices, task, video library, improvement program, allow location, allow telemetry, autocorrect. Yeah, we do need that, so add that. Automatic installation of VM. No, we don't need that. Hotspot, adjusted hotspot, clipboard history. Where is it? Enable that bad boy. Okay, these are all the Cortana stuff. Disable Cortana, Cortana, everything just disable it. I hate Cortana. Reinstall apps. No. Okay. About no. Search and application follow. Start menu, app list, enable. Most used apps. No, I don't need it. Recently added apps, documents. I don't need. I need the downloads screen, file explorer. I need it. Music. I do need it. Network disable should be okay. Personal folder. It doesn't hurt to have one. Pictures. Enable. Settings. Uh, let's just keep it on default. Video. Keep it on. Okay. Video. Yes, I do need that. Hibernate. Stable. Let's see. Start sleep. Most used apps. Stable. And now let's go to system. Okay. Automatic activation. Enable. Okay, you can just put it as a phone driver. Achieving automatic discord, display lock screen, fast user switching, normal hosting optimization, hardware acceleration, blah 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 blah. This stuff. Storage, okay, OneDrive, I don't need that. Microsoft browser, remote desktop. Reserve storage. Okay, let's see here. I don't think we have anything left in the Windows one. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay, let's go to services. There's nothing here I need to. And let's go to extra services. Thank you. So I guess our work is done here. Let's go to apply, save more, save the image. Move non-essential additions. Yes, all the ones remove them. We remove the disable. Read updated data. Remove components. Do that. Format and data. Change the tax and cost. Okay. Okay. Create ISO, and I'm gonna keep it here. Save. Will it be on the OS? Save. Let's just go here. I think it's still okay. Process. Yes. Okay. Trying all this window changes. Yes. Okay. It's working this way. Okay. Done. Okay. Let's see. It's still working. Okay. It's almost done. See, when we started the live and we loaded up the thing first, it was so like it took so much time, but now it's just going breeze like a breeze. It isn't even taking that much time to go. Yeah, I think it's almost done, and I forgot to do something. Forgot to put the logo. How could I miss that? Could I miss that? Be safe. Protect your necklace. Be drinker and Google. Happy birthday from us. Please on Amazon. Just okay, on the circle to with the light, and we need the thing like we need the NCTV. Is upper than everyone, the highest of them all. This one, let's ungroup them for now because we have done the thing we need. Let's do this one. Edit photo. I need a shadow on this. Shadows. Draw. No, I don't. No, I don't want. No, restore first. Blah, 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 blah. Restore it. I don't want to cut it. Back. Shadows. Drop. What? Okay, let's edit this one now. Okay. I think this one is done now. The last time it wasn't done. This time it's done. And are you done? No, it's still working. File size is just 1 GB. Actually, that's 8 GB. We'll see about it. Let's uh, delete this and to replace it. See my thing. looks good. See if this one is okay or not. So this is our first one. Let's see if we can put widget. Oh, that was a web search. Now it's gonna take me to Edge. I hate Edge. And took me to Edge. And now let's see how the stream is going. Took me to Edge. And now let's see how the stream is going. Okay, let me just, I think I can close Canva for now, and our customization is done. So now that is VirtualBox boot. So let's start our VirtualBox. Okay, we first have to, we first need this one to be done, then it will work. So it's not done yet. Then we can load it up here. Yeah, let's 76%. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. I hate waiting and everything that is about to. Let me give you some context about what VirtualBox is. It's like virtual machines. You make a machine inside your machine, which thinks it's a machine, but it's not, and you can operate like a machine. And my file is done. Where is it? I think I saved it here. Did it work? Yeah. Let's see. And for workstation, still working. Okay. This makes a machine inside your machine that thinks it's a machine, but it's actually not. So it just works as a machine, and then when it's like working, it can operate into new like new uh, operating system. Like I'm using Windows 10 right now. I can just go ahead and select Ubuntu, open. Okay, let's see. I can just put the. I don't want to do that. Yeah, let's just put new whatever. Next, 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 next. Okay, it will power on right now. It's our Ubuntu. Start it. Normal start. Uh, while this one is working until I'm giving you a brief about what VirtualBox is. Okay, VirtualBox 7.1 starting up. So try or install Ubuntu. I don't know why, but I don't know why they make Linux look go reboot. Okay, Ubuntu is loading up. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, see, I'm using Windows 10 here and I can use Ubuntu here. Isn't that just awesome? Just awesome. Yeah, let's just go to computer. See, it's just awesome. Games. Do I have some games here? Can I play some Windows Network now? Computer file system. It's just great. I think it's really a great way to get the things out of you and try new stuff. Ubuntu, blah blah blah, trash network, network. How do I connect to the internet? How do I open this CMD? Control C. Uh, what's this? Oh, they have games. New game. Join the number per time. How do I do that? Oh, okay. Okay. Uh, uh, oh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, screen by screen. Mm, it's actually fun. For a nerd like me, it's really fun. Uh, yeah, yeah. Yes. Mm, yeah. Uh, now what do I do? This, this. I lost. Okay, okay, okay. And this one. Oh, I lost. Okay, game over. Nice game, I would say. What can I do on the internet? Oh, they have Firefox right here. Can I open it? I okay, I can open it. No, I don't want to set anything up. I just want to look things around here. How are they around? How to be fair. See, can I watch YouTube? Yeah, cool, I guess. And then let's see. Leave. Shut down. Yes. Shut down. And let's shut our hyper-v down, our virtual box. See, that's how it works. This one's still not done. I think I should just end the live. Should I though? Let's just play some Minecraft. Yeah, mom is asleep. Let's play Minecraft. Nobody. On second thought, I should play Minecraft right now. Yes, should not. Yeah, it's 50% done. Let's try to load up this Arch Linux. It's really hard. I tried to load it up once, but I failed miserably. I don't want to play it now. Okay, let's go new. Let's get Arch. Oh, let's do Windows here. Should let's put it as Ridwan. As Ridwan. Next, next. Okay, let's see if I have space. Yeah, I do have space. And here's my Windows 11. Let's see if it will work or not. Virtual box. Yeah, when a computer starts in, it shows the manufacturer's name. In here, it's showing VirtualBox because technically it's the motherboard right now, but the actual motherboard is from Gigabyte. Oh, setup is started. It's working. So there will be a Windows 11 inside Windows 10. Confusing, say, but can you do? Installing Windows. Okay, getting files ready for installation. One percent done. This one is still taking a lot of time. Okay, I'm gonna start streaming again uh when like my NT light is done. So bye.